Hello everyone. So here we have a question. 18 divided by 2 plus 3 multiply 3 minus 4. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, we have one division, one addition, one multiplication, and one subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication and division. Okay. And both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So is equal to 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9 plus 3 multiply 3 minus 4. Now first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay. So is equal to 9 plus, now 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9 minus 4. Now here we have one addition and one subtraction, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this addition. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 minus 4. Now 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. Okay. So the correct answer is 14.